Imagine this. You order your favorite biryani online. The taste? Delicious. The aroma? Mouth-watering. What if I told you that the biryani you just enjoyed came from a kitchen dirtier than a public toilet? Shocking, right? But it's true. Some cloud kitchens are more disgusting than public toilets. See for yourself. But this isn't just about dirty surroundings. It's about your health. They are ticking time bombs for your health. Take this case for example. In Delhi, a family fell seriously ill after ordering pizza from a cloud kitchen, which was later found to be infested with cockroaches. Yes, cockroaches crawling over the counters, ingredients, and even inside the food storage area. Such contaminated food can cause food poisoning, stomach infections, and in extreme cases, even hospitalization. But why does this happen so often? Why are cloud kitchens so unhygienic, and why does FSSAI or any other food safety department take no action against them? But before we dive into all of these questions, let's first understand what a cloud kitchen is and how it's different from regular restaurants. Cloud kitchens are the new buzz in the F&B industry, and it's no surprise why. They're cheaper to run and bring in higher profits. Because unlike traditional restaurants, it's just a kitchen that operates exclusively for online orders and deliveries. No tables, no chairs, no dine-in services. They entirely rely on food delivery apps like Swiggy and Zomato. But have you ever stopped to think about the food you're eating? That delicious burger, that flavorful biryani, or that tempting Chinese dish? Do you know what kind of condition it was prepared in? Ever wondered what's really happening inside the kitchen where your food just came from? Now imagine your meal being cooked just a few steps away from stagnant water, overflowing garbage and filthy surroundings. Sound disgusting, right? Well, that's exactly what some customers discovered about certain cloud kitchens. For example, there's one famous cloud kitchen you might have heard about, Fresh Menu. Recently, a person ordered a paneer dish but received chicken instead. Curious about where this meal came from, they decided to check out the kitchen's location, and what they found left them shocked. The location? It was located in a run-down building surrounded by muddy streets, potholes, and filthy surroundings. The area looked neglected, far from the standards you would imagine for a place preparing your food.
अरे बिल को छोड़ो ना, ये क्या है वो पहले वो बताओ। मैंने ऑर्डर किया था पनीर और मुझे इन्होंने भेज दिया चिकन।
आया हूँ फ्रेश मेनू में ऑर्डर लेने के लिए, लेकिन इसका कुछ भी फ्रेश नहीं रहता है।
And this isn't just about one odd incident. To uncover the truth about cloud kitchens, TNM visited 4 such setups in Bengaluru and spoke to delivery partners, food safety experts, and officials. What they found was deeply worrisome. On BEL Road, food was prepared next to an uncovered waste bin. No gloves, no hairnets, nothing. In Yelahanka, raw meat was handled with bare hands in filthy surroundings. In BTM layout, momos and noodles were cooked right inside an under construction building with dust and debris all around. In JP Nagar, a cramped, poorly ventilated kitchen had no clear separation between raw ingredients and cooked food. Storage was chaotic and hygiene seemed forgotten altogether. In fact, they spoke to several delivery partners who shared their first-hand experiences.
याद रखिए, किसी भी चीज़ में यदि फ्रेश लिखा हुआ है तो साला वो कम से कम 10 या 5 दिन के खड़ा हुआ सामान रहेगा, फ्रेश तो देगा ही नहीं। समझ गए? तो जो भी फ्रेश रहे तो ऑर्डर मत कीजिए प्लीज।
One of them recalled, once when I was allowed inside, I saw construction workers walking around in gumboots right in the kitchen where the food was being prepared. But let me tell you one thing, these shocking visuals are just the beginning. Sadly, the impact is even worse. Real families have suffered because of this. 3 youth in Hyderabad experienced severe stomach pain, vomiting and diarrhea after consuming biryani and grilled chicken ordered online from Aroma restaurant in Badangpet. They were hospitalized and doctors confirmed food poisoning as the cause. A 10-year-old girl in Patiala fell ill and subsequently died after consuming a cake ordered online for her birthday. The entire family experienced symptoms of food poisoning. Investigations revealed discrepancies in the bakery's listed address, suggesting it operated as a cloud kitchen without proper oversight. And sadly, this wasn't an isolated incident. If this is the situation, why hasn't anyone taken action against them? Why are cloud kitchens so unhygienic? Think about it. If a restaurant's image gets ruined they are the ones who suffer. So why are they still so careless about hygiene? Because they know how to slip under the radar. Many cloud kitchens operate from hidden spots, basements, flats, or cramped commercial spaces, places food inspectors rarely visit. Since cloud kitchens are a newer concept, proper inspection rules are still catching up. On top of that, platforms like Swiggy and Zomato focus more on deliveries than hygiene checks. And some kitchens, they skip registration altogether, dodging regulations completely. And these cloud kitchens take full advantage of that. So what can be done? Cloud kitchens can improve hygiene by investing in automated cleaning systems like steam cleaners and UVC sanitizers for effortless cleaning. Using IoT-based monitoring systems can help track hygiene and temperature in real time, reducing the risks. Routine pest inspections and preventive measures can eliminate infestation risks. As customers, we can stay cautious by checking reviews for hygiene feedbacks, inspecting food packaging for cleanliness, and reporting concerns on delivery platforms or to authorities. Choosing kitchens with hygiene certifications can also ensure safe food choices. Maintaining proper hygiene isn't rocket science. All you need is a team of employees who are just as concerned about safety of the food and the reputation of the kitchen as you are. Lack of hygiene can quickly tarnish the image of the cloud kitchen in question, and it may end up losing business. All the hard work, effort, and capital that you have invested in the business would be good for nothing if you end up failing on the touchstone of hygiene. Thank you for watching.